Hello, everybody. Hello, my friends. This is Sasha Monique Talks. I'm here with the review, y'all. So, a company got in touch with me and wanted me to do this review. They said that they watch my videos and they know the issues I have with my skin and stuff like that. So, the company is called Leafinty. Leafinty. And they sent me a shampoo and conditioner bar. So I had one and I washed my hair. Boy, does it feel nice and soft and smooth. And the reason why is because it's a shampoo and conditioner bar all in one. This one has Longsheng Rice and Bamboo extract. So that's what it looks like, y'all. So let me open this package. So they have a card and it said Bar Care, which is teaching you how to take care of this bar. On the back it says, thanks for joining our plastic-free journey. Hashtag Leafinty. Okay? So keep bar away from water. Use a washcloth instead of hands. Keep your bar in a proper soap dish. Let the bar air dry after use. So I'm going to show you this wonderful bar. First of all, it smells so good. Y'all know that I love herbal smells, and this one has a nice herbal smell. And what I like about this bar is a lot of times we have tried the rice water formulation, we make our own, and it can be messy, and it also doesn't have a good smell. I'm just going to be honest with you. So it's good to get yourself a bar with the formulation right, and you don't have to measure out how much this to put in there and everything, and it smells good, and your hair will feel so soft and smell really good. So you might want to try this. It comes with a nice little bag. And this would be great for me when I go out of town, because sometimes I hate bringing like bottles and stuff with me while I go. I just have one little thing and it lasts pretty good. So that bar right there, the shampoo bar is 0 waste, equals to 3 plastic bottles. That's a lot of shampoo there. 3 plastic bottles. It's sulfate-free formula, recyclable packaging, that's important, cruelty-free and vegan. So they have a lot of products that's great for your hair. They also have a bar, it's like a body wash bar, and the prices are so good, you guys. These will make nice little gifts for Christmas, your birthday, or anything, because the price is right. And so when I used it on my hair, it felt really, really good. And y'all know I suffer from alopecia, and so I'm gonna have to change my formulation on things to get my skin together and my scalp. Okay, so I was glad that they got in touch with me to try out this bar shampoo, and I will be getting some more on my own. Okay, so I want to give you a little information. If you're interested in getting this, please check it out. Okay, so it says, get your first purchase of the 2-in-1 rice water shampoo and conditioner bar from Leafinty for 50% off. 50% off, y'all, by clicking my link. Use the code Sasha50 off. Okay, y'all, Sasha50 off, and you will get 50% off your purchase And that's a big savings because it's already inexpensive. So the start date for this was 11/29/2022, 5 Pacific Standard Time. The end date is 2/28/2023, and that's 23:59 Pacific Standard Time. Okay, if you want to try it, they have a whole lot of different other bars. This, I would suggest that you try this. It really smells good. It really smells good. You try that, or look and see what other things they have, and just use my code. Okay. So I thank you all so much for being there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment. Please share. Please like. And there will be more videos coming. I know I stopped a little bit. I had a lot going on. So I will come back and I will start back to making some more videos, y'all. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this review. And I will see you again soon. Bye now.